Big chatbot companies charge businesses $500 a month. I charge $150, and they're terrified you'll find out how easy this actually is. 3 months ago, I had one chatbot client making me $150 a month. Now I have 8 clients. That's $1,200 every single month, recurring. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how I scaled from 1 to 8, the system I use to find clients, and why companies are desperately trying to hide this opportunity from people like you and me. Let's get into it. Here's what most people don't understand about the chatbot business. There are massive companies right now charging small businesses $300 to $500 per month for the exact same thing you can build in 4 hours using free tools. Companies like MobileMonkey, Chatfuel Enterprise, and HubSpot's chatbot service. They have entire sales teams, fancy websites, and they're positioning chatbots as this complicated enterprise solution. But here's the truth. The chatbots they're selling are not more advanced than what you can build with ManyChat in a weekend. They're just better at marketing and sales than we are. And they absolutely do not want individual freelancers like you competing with them at $150 a month. Because if businesses realize they can get the same result for a third of the price, those companies lose millions. So how did I go from 1 client to 8 clients in 3 months? Let me break down the exact timeline. Month 1, I had my first client, a hair salon paying me $150 a month. I spent about 4 hours building her chatbot. It answered questions about pricing, hours, and booking. Simple stuff. She was happy because she stopped getting the same questions 50 times a week. Month 2, I used that salon owner as a testimonial. I took a screenshot of her paying me and a screenshot of a 5-star review she left. Then I messaged 10 other salons in my area, showing them proof it works. 2 of them said yes. Now I'm at 3 clients. $450 a month. Month 3. This is where it got easier. I had 3 testimonials now. Social proof is everything. I messaged 15 businesses, gyms, coffee shops, real estate agents. 5 of them replied. I closed 3. Now I'm at 6 clients. $900 a month. Month 4, which is where I am now. I stopped cold outreach. My clients started referring me to other business owners. I got 2 referrals without even asking. That brought me to 8 clients. $1,200 a month. Now let me show you the system I use to manage 8 clients without it becoming a full-time job. Because here's the thing. If each client took 4 hours a week to maintain, I'd be working 32 hours a week just on chatbots. That's not passive. That's a job. But I've systemized it so all 8 clients combined take me about 3 hours a week. Here's how. Step 1. I use templates. My first chatbot for the salon took me 4 hours to build because I was learning. My second one took 2 hours because I copied 70% of the first one and just changed the business details. By my 8th chatbot, I can build one in 90 minutes. I have a template with the most common questions every service business gets. What are your hours? How much does this cost? Can I book an appointment? Where are you located? Do you offer this service? I just plug in the answers for each business and I'm done. Step 2. I batch my work. Every Sunday, I spend 3 hours total checking all 8 chatbots. I look at the conversations from the past week. I see if any questions came up that the bot couldn't answer. If I see the same question 3 times that the bot didn't handle, I add it to the flow. That's it. 3 hours on Sunday. The rest of the week, the bots just run. Step 3. I set expectations with clients up front. I tell them, this chatbot will handle 90% of your common questions automatically. If someone asks something unusual, the bot will forward it to you. I'm not a 24/7 customer service rep. I'm a chatbot builder. Once it's set up, it runs on its own. If you need changes, we do updates once a month. This prevents clients from messaging me every day asking for tiny tweaks. Now let's talk about how I find clients. Because this is where most people get stuck. They build a great chatbot, but they can't find anyone to pay them for it. Here's my exact outreach process. Step 1. I make a list of 10 local businesses on Instagram or Facebook. I look for businesses that get a lot of messages but respond slowly. Hair salons, gyms, coffee shops, chiropractors, real estate agents. Any service business. Step 2. I check their response time. If they take more than a few hours to respond to messages, that's my opening. Step 3. I send this exact message. Hi, I notice you get a lot of messages, but it looks like it's hard to respond to all of them quickly. I build AI chatbots that answer customer questions instantly, 24/7. It saves about 5 hours a week and helps you capture more leads. Would you be interested in a quick demo? That's it. Simple. No hard sell. Just pointing out a problem they have and offering a solution. Out of 10 messages, I usually get 2 to 3 replies. Out of those, I close one client. So I need to message about 10 businesses to land one client at $150 a month. Once I show them the demo, the close rate is high because they can see it working in real time. I pull up the chatbot on my phone. I show them a conversation where a customer asks a question and the bot responds instantly. Then I show them the lead capture feature where the bot collects name, email, and phone number. Most business owners see that and immediately understand the value. They're paying me $150 a month to save 5 hours a week of answering the same questions over and over. That's a no-brainer for them. Now here's the part that big chatbot companies don't want you to know. The actual cost to run these chatbots is almost zero. ManyChat's free plan supports up to 1,000 contacts. Most small businesses don't even hit that. So for my first 5 clients, I wasn't paying anything. I'm charging $150 a month, and my cost is zero. Pure profit. Once a client goes over 1,000 contacts, ManyChat's paid plan is $15 a month. So even then, I'm charging $150 and paying $15. That's $135 profit per client. The big companies are charging $500 a month, and their cost is maybe $20 to $30 in software. They're making $470 profit per client. I'm making $135. But I'm fine with that because I can scale to 10, 20, 30 clients and still only work a few hours a week. So let me give you the roadmap to get to 8 clients in 90 days. Month 1, build your first demo chatbot. Pick a business type you understand. Hair salon, gym, coffee shop. Spend 4 hours building a chatbot that answers 10 common questions. Use this as your demo. Then message 10 businesses. Get your first client. Month 2, use that first client as a testimonial. Screenshot the payment. Screenshot their review. Message 20 businesses. Close 2 more clients. You're now at 3 clients for $150 a month. Month 3, you have 3 testimonials now. Message 30 businesses. Close 3 more. You're at 6 clients, $900 a month. Month 4, let referrals come in. By now, happy clients will refer you. Close 2 referrals. You're at 8 clients, $1,200 a month. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one business type. Just one. Hair salon, gym, coffee shop, real estate agent. Doesn't matter. Go to ManyChat.com. Sign up for free. Spend 2 hours today building a demo chatbot for that business type. Write out 10 questions customers ask. Program the answers. Test it. Then tomorrow, message 5 businesses on Instagram or Facebook. Just 5. Use the script I gave you. See what happens. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. So which business type are you building a chatbot for? Hair salon? Gym? Coffee shop? Real estate? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this roadmap just gave you a clear path to $1,200 a month, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Money AI, because next week I'm showing you how to automate the entire client acquisition process so you're not manually messaging businesses anymore. Let's build this together. See you in the next one.